going to be doing a restock today of a natural goat's milk soap. This is one that I have called Tannenbaum in the past, which is kind of a Christmas tree, natural foresty scent, but I wanted to name it something else so it's more like an all year, which it is really an all year scent. So we're gonna go with a Woodland Zest name. That's what we decided to do. I had a bunch of people smell it and they're like, oh, let's go with something woodsy, obviously. Okay, so in this, it's going to be a goat's milk soap. I'm using goat's milk from one of our goats, and it's going to be 100% natural. So I have my essential oils mixed together with a little bit of kaolin clay in the bottom to help anchor that out. I have a blend of Litsea, Orange Valencia, which is a sweet orange, fir needle, clove, and cedarwood. I'm going to do a quarter of the batch. We'll have this really nice gold Brazilian clay, which is from Nurture Soap. And then I'm going to do some coffee grounds. These are spent coffee grounds that I've dried, and I'm going to add that in. So I'm going to pour off a quarter of the batch that's going to go in there, and then I'm going to put the coffee and the scent and the rest of it. Clove and fir needle do tend to accelerate even at teeny tiny amounts because clove has a very, very small usage rate in soap. So I'm going to mix that in quick, pour it in, and then I'm going to pour that on top and do some hanger swirls. I have this neat little silicone mat that I will be using. This will be split in half and make 20 bars of soap. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, one more thing. I'm testing some fragrances. I've been testing like crazy this year. I love fragrances, just different kinds, different types. And so I'll be pouring off just a little bit. So if you see that, that's what I'm doing to test a fragrance. So I'll go ahead and grab my lye solution, get started.